Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. In today's episode, and I promise you it's going to be short, some subscribers in the past, as well as some friends, asked me, has the Schickster ever met Mrs. K, Mrs. Kapper, when we go down to Kapper Outdoors? Seems like the Schickster's always sneaking in the vehicle and hitching a ride. And the answer to that is yes, he has met Sharon, Mrs. Kapper, when we went down there. And I'd like to share with you how that all played out the first time they met.
Schickster, whoa. Look, I don't know how you got here with CJ. I really don't. But I mean, you can hang out and stay in the basement. You can stay here, I guess. But Clapster is gone. Clapster, he's just MIA. Okay, so he's nowhere to be found. So just kind of hang out and just stay in the basement and be cool. And one more thing. Just stay away from my wife, okay?
And there you have it. That's how the Schickster met Mrs. K on our first trip down to Kapper Outdoors. I hope you enjoy.